Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Well, thank you. Incorrect hardware selection. Choosing the wrong hardware components for the sliding gate can lead to significant issues. Inadequate hinges, wheels, or tracks can cause friction, noise, and difficulty in opening and closing the gate. It is essential to select high-quality hardware that is suitable for the gate's weight, size, and environmental conditions to ensure optimal performance. Lack of regular maintenance. So proper maintenance is essential to keep a sliding gate functioning smoothly and extend its lifespan. Neglecting routine inspections, lubrication, and cleaning can lead to the accumulation of debris, rust, and mechanical problems. Regular maintenance should include checking the gate's alignment, lubricating moving parts, and addressing any signs of wear or damage promptly. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Well, thank you. Installing a sliding gate requires attention to detail, precision, and adherence to best practices. Avoiding common mistakes such as poor foundation, inaccurate measurements, insufficient support, incorrect hardware selection, and lack of regular maintenance is crucial to ensure a functional and durable gate system. By following proper installation procedures and investing in quality materials and professional assistance, you can avoid the pitfalls associated with poorly installed sliding gates and enjoy a secure and efficient entryway.